So whenever you're installing custom electronics in your vehicle, I don't care if it's audio, performance, or convenience, you need to do it in 2 steps every time.
For example, this remote start that's going into my truck.
In the first step, you have to rip your interior apart to access the wiring needed in order to install the product quick and dirty and verify function before continuing. I mean quick and dirty. Let the wires hang. Just make your connections.
Yes, sir.
After you verify functionality and mark and disconnect your temporary wiring, then you can mount your module all tight and right. Trim your wiring to length and make your final connections.